Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen, and in today's video we're going to be doing my April and May Facetory review and unbagging. So if you guys want to see what I got and how the masks went, then keep watching. If you don't know what Facetory is, it is a monthly sheet mask subscription service, and they have different levels of subscriptions. Their cheapest one is their Forever Fresh, which is what I get, and it starts at $8.90 a month. Their most expensive one is their Luxe Plus, and it is $34.95 a month. I think their Luxe Plus comes with more than just masks. There's other skincare items in there. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll have a link down below. They do ship to 20 different countries if you are interested. One tip I would like to just say about Facetory is, you're probably wondering, like, why is she talking about April and May and it's June? That is because I signed up really late in the month. I signed up at I think January 27th or something like that. And because of that, I get May's bag when it's June, if that makes sense. So that's why I'm a little delayed. So I'm sorry about that. I apologize. I didn't know it was like that when I signed up. So this is May's bag, or April's bag right here. And I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I only remember 2 of these masks. I did not write down any of my reviews. I always write it down in my notebook, and I just didn't. I totally forgot. So let me know in the comments down below. Would you rather me do mask videos once a week where I use the masks from Facetory and just other masks, because I have a ton of masks, do them on my channel, do a little demo and a review? Or for Facetory, do you want me to just review them all in one place? Because like I said, I don't really remember 2 of these masks. I only remember this, or I remember 3 of them actually. I only remember 3, which I'll do a rapid fire talk about. So the first mask is this 24 Miracle Vitamin Facial Mask with Whole Lemon. So this mask retails for $3. I did like this one. It was really nice. This was supposed to help brighten your skin and help hydrate the skin, which I really felt like it did that. And it does lightly smell like lemons, which is a plus. The next mask is this Hello-Ganic 1 a Day Water Mask. Again, this mask is $3. This one helped moisturize the skin, and there was a cabbage rose flower water in here, which helped deliver antioxidants and soothe irritated skin and had a natural, lovely aroma. I don't really remember the aroma, but it was a really nice mask. I really remember the sheet. I felt like the sheet itself, the actual mask, felt really, really nice on the skin, and again, this was effective. And then the last one, which I did last night, is this Matcha Deer Avocado Mask. Again, this one retails for $3, and this one helped moisturize the skin, and then it had mango fruit extract, and that was packed with nutritional value, and it helps minimize inflammation and rejuvenates the skin. My skin feels amazing, and I feel like it looks pretty good too, minus this breakout on my chin. I really did like this mask. The one bad thing about it was the sheet was just way too big for my head. I must have a small face for these sheet masks. I don't know. So the one mask that I don't remember is the Facetory, this one, the Facetory Vitality Firming Mask with pomegranate. I think all I can say about this was that it smelled really nice because of the pomegranate, and this retails for $4. I'm so sorry that I didn't write anything down. This month was, or May in general, was just super busy, and thank God it's June now, so everything is just back to normal. Now I'm going to open up my May bag, which I have not opened yet, so let's open this. I've been dying to open it, and I haven't opened it. I got it on Saturday, which was June 1st, so again, I got this super late. I can't find where to open it. Okay, here we go. So first, let me get everything out here. All right, so Every month comes with like a cute little postcard, and this one just says "You're terrific." Mine's a little beaten up, but it's still really cute. Literally just a cute little postcard. So this is the May Forever Fresh, and it says that this month we're focusing on smoothing and toning the skin. This box is filled with soothing sheet masks that will support your skin while prepping it for the perfect makeup look. Feel refreshed and look flawless while you go out for brunch or sip tea with friends. So cute. So like I said, I get the Forever Fresh. So in here are 4 sheet masks. So first we have the Facetory Soothe Me Tea Tree. This mask retails for $5, and it says that in need of a little pick-me-up, our Soothe Me Tea Tree 2-step mask is infused with ingredients to help purify and restore troubled skin. Perfect for helping treat blemishes and acne. Indulge in this calming sheet mask and let your stress fade away. This sounds really cool. I've never done a two-step. Cool. And it says that the key ingredients are lotus flower extract. I'm just gonna skip over the scientific words because just to not give myself a headache. And lotus flower extract is good for moisturizing and soothing. This ingredient will help calm skin while healing and preventing blemishes. Tea tree helps minimize redness and prevent and relieve acne, evens out your complexion, and balances your oils without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. It sounds amazing. I've heard tea tree oil is so good for your redness, and I should probably invest in some because I'm sure you guys can see my cheeks are super red. I'm not wearing any face makeup. I just did my eyes and eyebrows today, so I could probably use some tea tree oil, but this sounds really cool. So up here is the ampule, it says, and then down here is the soothing and cleansing mask. So I'm super excited to try this out. See, like this I would love to do a video on. So like I said, let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to do just like individual videos of all these masks. Tell me what you want to see. The next mask is this Ebates chocolate milk sheet mask. I always see these and I think they're so cute. This retails for $2.50. This says that perfect skin is easy to achieve with the Ebates chocolate milk sheet mask. Designed to help provide your skin with the nutrients for a smoother and brighter complexion, your skin will be left feeling renewed and happy. This has cocoa extract, and that is a gentle exfoliating ingredient that will help reveal a soft and even complexion. And there's also milk extract, which is a hydrating ingredient that will leave your skin soft and supple. That sounds so good, and I hope it smells like chocolate too. That'd be amazing. The next mask we have is this Look at Me Cucumber Essence Mask. This retails for $3, and this says give your skin a break from all the stress and pamper it with the Look at Me Cucumber Essence Mask. Infused with self-calming ingredients, it will leave your skin looking so fresh and refined. You'll be surprised with what this sheet mask can do. The key ingredients and benefits are cucumber fruit extract, and that is widely known for its cooling and calming properties. This ingredient will help minimize irritations and inflammation while hydrating. There's also a mushroom extract, and that is an antioxidant-rich ingredient that will help heal and calm your skin concerns. This sounds really good if you go out in the sun a lot and your skin gets a little irritated from the sun, or just if your skin has any irritation whatsoever. And then the last mask is from Ebates. I hope I'm saying that right. And it is the Dual Balancing Moisturizing Mask with Lotus and Dandelion. This mask retails for $2.50. And this says achieve a more even and smoother complexion while tackling dark spots and aging. Lotus flower extract and dandelion leaf extract will leave your skin feeling so fresh and rejuvenating. You'll definitely be back for more. The lotus flower extract helps cleanse and purify the skin while adding antioxidant protection and moisture. And the dandelion leaf extract is a great ingredient to help smooth and detoxify the skin. It contains anti-aging properties to help minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So this one sounds nice as well. I'm just gonna say it now. I never see really anything with anti-aging type of masks, but I like that this has antioxidant protection and moisture. Like some of the mask helps with that, so that's awesome. So this month's total retail value was $13, and I only paid about like $9 because it's $8.90 plus shipping, handling, and tax, so it's like a little over $9. I think it is totally worth it. Like I said, there's 4 masks and for $13 total, but I only paid like $9. I think that is a great box. I've never had like one mask where I said I absolutely hated it, like it didn't work. I love all of them. I think they're amazing. If you guys want to sign up, I have a link down below. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below how you want your mask videos. Do you want individual demo and reviews? Do you want all like Facetory in one video, but you still want other mask demo reviews? Let me know how you want that in the comments down below, because I definitely slacked this month and I feel really bad and I'm really sorry about that. Just May was back to back craziness, and like I said, I'm really sorry. So let me know how you want the mask videos down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!